Vivichattandulam yatha. In this text, Bhagavan Shankaracharya has given so many similes, many examples. One should click at least. Vapustushadibihi yuktaihi koshaihi yukti avaghatataha. See, it is said that the paddy, when it is harvested, then it is pounded in the mortar and pestle. And it is pounded in such a manner, only the husk comes out and the seed or the rice that we eat remains as it is. Exactly the same way. Let everything remain as it is. We don't have to discard anything. We don't have to go to forest. Why? To do sadhana. Tushadibhi koshaihi yuktam. So we have to remove these panchakoshas. And why? Only understanding. What is created as a result of misunderstanding or wrong thinking cannot be corrected by not thinking. What Patanjali says, yogaha chitta vritti nirodha. Problem is not the thoughts. Problem is wrong thinking. Thoughts are not problem. Do you go to the eye doctor and say, Doctor Saab, when my eyes are open, I can see everything? We are supposed to see with the eyes. In the same manner, if there are thoughts in the mind, why we should be worried? Then problem is not thoughts. Problem is wrong thinking. Wrong thinking can be corrected by right understanding. Not right thinking, right understanding. Thinking leading to understanding is the process of Vedanta. So, vapustushadibihi koshaihi yuktam. So, our self is encased, enveloped by the panchakoshas. So, by one kosha we have to drop. So, we will take in short panchakoshas, how we drop. In one of the texts, Sadachara, this thought comes very, very exhaustively. Natvam deho nendriyani na prano na manonadhi vikaritvad vinashitvad drushtatvacha ghato yatha. A ghata, a pot, it has got three qualities. Drishyatvad, it is an object of knowledge. Vikaritvad, it is subject to modification. Vinashitvad, it is subject to destruction. So these three qualities associated with the pot, therefore we are not the pot. Now apply the same thing to the body. Drishyatvad, body is an object of our knowledge. Vikaritvad, constantly modifying and changing. And vinashitvad, continuously dying. So either you be a pot or don't be the body. Think. So the same principle applied everywhere. Natvan deho indriyani, same thing with the sense organs. They are also object of knowledge. They are also subject to modification. They are subject to destruction. And in this manner, these three principles, if we apply, what will happen? If something is happening to our body, yes, it happens. Wherever there is a prakriti, vikruti is bound to be. What can you do to stop your age growing? Go to beauty parlor. See? Above the neck, sweet 16. Below the neck, see? Like on a hanger, something is hanging. See, friends, so important it is. Therefore, slowly get rid of these panchakoshas. Now, how to get rid of? First of all, only with the body identification the gross world becomes real. So, let us not give too much importance to two things. One is all the possessions that we have. See? And second thing, all the relations that we create. Possessions and relations are the burdens that we carry on our head throughout life. And when you carry burdens, you cannot be happy. This is the first. Then second is subtle body. Subtle body is an instrument of knowledge. So if that instrument of knowledge is under our control, then we will not be influenced by that. Therefore, the second spiritual practice is, let us decide whether we should follow what we like and what we dislike, or we should follow what is right and what is not right. Shreya and Preya Marga. Normally we are all the victims of our own likes and dislikes. What I like, that I will do. But it is wrong. So what? I will do that. See? Therefore, subtle body, three koshas are conquered. And the third is the causal body, Ajnanam. What is Ajnanam? I am body, you cannot stop. Like we cannot stop the reflection in the mirror. You cannot stop. It will happen. Only difference is, do you take that body identification as real? If you are able to understand this principle, like we don't take the reflection in the mirror as real, therefore what is our attitude toward the mirror, the reflection? We see that, we enjoy it, but we don't want to hold on to that reflection. Hey, don't take the mirror away. Why? I like my reflection. Or if the mirror is taken away, then we start crying, Bichara, mar gaya. No. Exactly the same way. Enjoy the body, enjoy through the body, but don't get limited by the limitations of the body.